This is TJ. He's modeling what an American kestrel should look like as far as his plumage. You can see his wing feathers, you can see his tail feathers, and they're in great shape. This, on the other hand, is a kestrel that came into the Delaware Valley Raptor Center in late summer 2019. After flying through an open flame in a landfill, he managed to burn his flight feathers. And it took a couple years for him to molt in a complete set so that he would be able to fly again. In 1980, Bill and Stephanie Streeter, co-founders of the Delaware Valley Raptor Center, while they were still in Massachusetts, took in their first rehab bird, which was an American kestrel. So July 30th of this year, 41 years later, everything came full circle as we released the last bird of the Delaware Valley Raptor Center's time as a rehabilitation center. This kestrel was ready to go, and Bill knew just the right place to take it to in New York State.
You got grasshoppers galore. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And even landed.
Oh, that's great. Three. Oh, that was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And even landed.
Oh, that's great.
So it begins and ends with the kestrel.